Hi all, welcome to TestNG all-in-one crash course from fast and easy learning. In this video, we are going to discuss about TestNG Priority. So TestNG provides us an ability to assign a priority to a test method to guarantee that it will run before other methods with a higher priority. Please note that this is slightly different from the dependent methods since it's just about ordering. If a method with a priority fails, method with a higher priority will still be able to run. So, and one more thing, if we don't specify any priority, then TestNG takes it as priority equal to 0 by default. So we can start assigning a priority to test starting from 0 itself. So let's see with an example. Let's create a new class here. Right click, new class. Priority example. Let's create some test methods here. Public void my test 1 and then test annotation, import it, and let's print I am in my test 1. Let's copy paste and create some more methods here. So let's name it as my test 2 and my test 3. Change the sysout also accordingly. My test 2 and my test 3. Now let's just try to run this and then I'll show you what we can change to add our priority. So let's just run this. Right click, run as TestNG test. So now we see my test 1 has run first, my test 3 has run second, and then my test 2 has run third. So how is this running? This is based on the alphabetical order of the method name. So because 1 comes first and then TH comes first, then TW. So my test 3 runs before my test 2. Now, if I wanted to run my test 1 first and then my test 2 and then my test 3, then I have to set some priority. So let's set some priority here. In bracket, priority equal to 0. Next, let's put priority 1 to our second test and priority 2 to our third test and run this. Right click, run as TestNG test. Now we are able to see that my test 1 method has run first and then my test 2 and then my test 3. So because based on the priority it is running now. So it doesn't matter if we start with 0 or we start with 1 and then go with 1, 2, 3. So it's both the same. Right click, run as TestNG test. It will print the same responses. So thanks for watching this and have a fast and easy learning.